Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott, and we've got a kind of a cloudy start in some places for the beginning of Tuesday. Other spots seeing a little bit of sunshine. Port Angeles getting a little bit of both. They've got some clouds passing through, but you can also see that sunshine coming in and some nice fall colors showing up there, looking down towards the waterfront. And we do have a very weak system moving through British Columbia this morning that's giving us some clouds to the north and actually a few sprinkles as well, but not going to really affect much of the remainder of the sound. And even up there around Bellingham, where you can still see a few raindrops on the camera lens there. Even there, it's going to clear out to sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. So overall, a pretty good looking Tuesday headed our way. Queen Anne Tower Cam showing some of the high clouds associated with that little weak system moving through British Columbia, just kind of passing through and picking up a little bit of color there, and a pretty shot out towards Mount Rainier's silhouette out there in the distance. And it's good to see a little bit of sunshine trying to break through the clouds. Our first look at our 7-day forecast does show we get brushed by a little weak system again tomorrow afternoon. That's going to produce a few more showers than what we're seeing today, and a little bit farther south. Probably a mostly dry day Thursday, but then we do get a couple of systems that move through over the weekend. That is going to be soaking us down, it looks like, and give us some blustery winds. And with that, with all the leaves in the trees pretty much and a lot of summer growth, we may see a few branches come down, or possibly some leaves, which are going to plug some drains for some urban flooding, just some standing water on some of the roadways probably over the weekend. And with the blustery winds as well, we might get a branch come down and maybe cause a few spotty power outages with the gusty winds, but nothing really major with that. And we do dry out as we head into the first part of next week. Satellite image doesn't really pick up the one moving through today very well at all. This next one will be pushing through here tomorrow afternoon. We'll see a partly sunny morning and then see it kind of cloud up and might see a few showers around during the afternoon on Wednesday, and then get kind of a break between systems and starting to see this next system begin to show up out there. That one's going to be an atmospheric river, which brings up some moisture from the south, which is going to give us some heavier rainfall, it looks like, as we head into later Friday into Saturday. A couple little impulses will move up through there and keep us pretty wet on into late Saturday when the cold front will finally move through, and then we'll have off and on showers on Sunday. But snow levels, which will start out around 8,000 feet on Friday, dropping down to probably 4,000 feet later on Saturday, and then on Sunday dropping down probably around 3,000 feet, which is down to the Snoqualmie Pass level, where they may see maybe a little bit of slushy snow on the roadway, but mostly any accumulations down to that level will be on the sides of the roads. Looking out at the computer model, you can see not a whole lot going on for today. Things do clear out pretty nicely, and then we have this next system that moves in, goes through here tomorrow afternoon, but just some off and on showers with that. That zips right on through. We're kind of in between systems on Thursday. Might see a few showers out there, but overall probably fairly dry for most folks. And then as we head into Friday, that main band starts to move in for a really wet afternoon on through the evening on Saturday. Little pause. You can see a second system kind of moves up during the day on Saturday, keeping us wet. That finally moves on through, and then we'll start to see it turn to off and on showers as we head into Sunday. And right now it does look like we might clear out a little bit as we head towards the first part of next week. Take a look at those temperatures today. We're going to be running mostly in the upper 50s and low to mid 60s, it looks like. And then as we head towards tomorrow, we'll be running about the same. Might warm up a little bit tomorrow into the low to mid 60s. As we head into Thursday, partly sunny, just a few showers. I said probably dry for most spots on Thursday, but no, nobody's probably going to be dry as we head into later Friday into Saturday with that steady rain developing. Gusty winds in there occasionally as the fronts move on through the area, and we'll be seeing once again probably some local flooding on some urban streets, etc. Not looking for any river flooding out of this because it doesn't really stall over us for any period of time, but definitely cooler temperatures along with those falling snow levels. We'll see those high temperatures for Sunday and Monday dropping back to the low to mid 50s.